I'm sorry I wasn't with you for day 5 because I didn't feel well. Let's take a peek in. Hey, look, more mycelium's growing. That's going to be more fun. More mushrooms, more the yummier. So, let's start spritzing. Ooh, would you like to see our new spritzing bottle? It's right here. This is my first time spritzing with it. That's about enough. Bye for this afternoon.